Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the new Simple Sentiment dies. This is such an amazing die set. You get 13 dies. I thought it was easier to keep them together because I wanted to die cut them for you so you could see all the different sizes once they were cut out. The dies themselves measure anywhere from the smallest at 1 7/8 wide to the largest 4 7/8 wide, and they're all 6/8 inches tall. They cut out into two pieces, the sentiment strip and the border that goes around it. What's really nice is you could have the sentiment strip one color and the border another, or you can use the sentiment strip by itself or the border by itself. Once they're cut out, all the sentiment strips measure 3/8 inches tall, which is a pretty good width, especially if you have a little bit wider sentiment. I'm just going to show you how a sentiment looks on the strip when you stamp it. As you can see, it stamps really nice and it has plenty of room on the strip. And this is what it would look like with the border around it. I did make one card for you. I paired the Simple Sentiment die with the new Make-A-Wish die set and the Eat Cake pattern paper. I only used the strip and not the border on the card. I hope you enjoyed this release and head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire new release that is available today. Also, be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day.